Hello fellow freelancers, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaitlyn here, your go-to source for all things freelancing. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every freelancer. How to overcome the struggles of not getting new clients. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss out on my latest freelancing insights. Alright, let's get started. The first step to freelancing success is defining your niche and crafting a unique value proposition. Websites like LinkedIn can help you connect with potential clients in your niche, while platforms like Upwork Insights provide valuable data on market demand and competition. Remember, finding your niche sets you apart and helps you stand out in a crowded marketplace. Your portfolio is your freelance calling card, so make it count. Websites like Behance and GitHub are perfect for showcasing your work and attracting clients. And if you're not tech savvy, don't worry. Platforms like WordPress make it easy to create a professional website to display your portfolio in just a few clicks. In today's digital age, a strong online presence is crucial for freelancers. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram allows you to connect with potential clients, share your expertise, and build your personal brand. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to cultivating your online presence. Marketing and networking are essential for freelancers looking to grow their client base. Websites like Meetup and Reddit offer opportunities to connect with fellow freelancers and potential clients in your industry. And don't forget about email marketing. Platforms like MailChimp make it easy to create professional campaigns and stay in touch with your clients. Clear policies and contracts are essential for protecting yourself and your business as a freelancer. Websites like &Co by Fiverr and Shake by Legal Shield offer customizable contract templates and legal agreements tailored for freelancers. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to contracts. As freelancers, it's easy to get overwhelmed with projects and deadlines. That's why time management and self-care are so important. Tools like Trello can help you organize your workload and stay on track, while apps like Focus at Will and Headspace can help you stay focused and reduce stress. The freelance industry is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and skills. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare offer a wide range of online courses to help you sharpen your skills and stay competitive in the marketplace. Remember, lifelong learning is the key to success as a freelancer. And there you have it, folks. I hope you found these strategies helpful in overcoming the struggles of not getting new clients as a newbie freelancer. Remember, building a successful freelance career takes time, effort, and perseverance. But with the right strategies and mindset, you can achieve your goals and thrive in the freelancing world. So, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow freelancers, and subscribe to my channel for more freelancing insights. Until next time, happy freelancing!